Well, I guess 2025 is the year of ECOVACS. I've already tested 2 of their DEEBOT robot vacuums and they've been really good. But now I have a third one. Say hello to the ECOVACS DEEBOT X9 Pro OMNI, which ECOVACS is claiming is the best one yet in their lineup. So we're gonna put that to the test. We're gonna start off with an unboxing, get it set up, and see what this thing can actually do in the real world. Let's take a look. Unlike a lot of robot vacuums that are out there, ECOVACS keeps the unboxing and the whole setup process incredibly simple. The quick start guide is really all that you need, but there's a detailed instruction manual there as well. Honestly, besides just removing the protective film and the foam bumper on the robot vacuum, it's set and ready to go. And to get the base station set up, just plug it in, snap on the front ramp and put that into place, fill up the water tank, and that's pretty much it. After that, make sure that the robot vacuum is switched on and connected to the Wi-Fi through the ECOVACS app. And as always, make sure you install the latest update. Since ECOVACS does do a pretty good job here at rolling out new updates with new features and fixes the bugs after the launch. Now that we got the update fully installed, let's go over some of the best new features that ECOVACS has included on this robot vacuum, because there are definitely a lot of them. And we're gonna be doing that while it's mapping out the house before its first cleaning cycle. The mapping process is fairly quick and takes about 5 minutes to map out the first floor of our house, but let's go over some of those new highlights for this unit itself. I used the previous X8 Pro OMNI a couple months back and I was pretty impressed with what it had to offer, but this one has a few new tricks up its sleeve. The first is the brand new BLAST system, which stands for Boosted Large Airflow Suction Technology. It's just their fancy way of saying that this thing has 34.5 CFM and 16,600 pascals of suction power, making this an incredibly powerful robot vacuum. Which means it can pretty much vacuum up anything that's in its path, from pet hair in your rug and the carpets, food and spills in the floor on the kitchen, or just that random dirt that gets tracked into your house on a day-to-day basis. And it's literally powerful enough to suck up Skittles from your floor, which honestly aren't exactly light. The other feature that I want to point out is the new triple lift system that ECOVACS is introducing with this robot vacuum. I'm sure that you've seen a robot vacuum that has a lift on the mop so that it lifts up when it detects that it's going over carpet to not get it wet. And the X9 Pro OMNI does have that, of course, but it also has new lift capabilities for the other brushes, for the vacuum brush and the side brush as well, when it detects a spill. This helps keep those 2 brushes out of the mess, so the Osmo Roller Mop on the back of the unit can do its job. Now, this might not sound like a big deal to you, but if you've ever used a robot vacuum to clean up a spill from the floor, you know how much of a pain it can be later on when you go to clean out that vacuum roller at the bottom, just because that liquid from those spills get caught up in there and then they get sticky and crusty over time. And the same thing goes for the side brush. Being able to lift that up means it's as clean as possible. I wouldn't be surprised if this triple lift system becomes honestly an industry standard in the next couple of years. Now, this isn't super important, but I do want to touch a little bit on the design of the X9 Pro OMNI because it's by far the most elegant robot vacuum that I've used. The attention to detail in the finish is great, and the brushed textured plastic on the top and the gold accent trim of this unit make it look and feel a lot more luxurious, I would say, than a lot of the glossy finishes that you get on other devices. They've even brought the same color accents and the fit and finish to the base station itself, which is a nice touch since this thing's going to be sitting in your house for the next 3 to 5 years, so it should definitely look good. Of course, based off of the design and the feature set of the robot vacuum itself, the ECOVACS DEEBOT X9 Pro OMNI is a high-end device with an MSRP of $1,599. But the main reason that they've actually partnered with us is because ECOVACS is going to be slashing that price significantly with this Prime Day deal, which is going to be a $500 discount. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video for more details on that. Now, one of my favorite features from high-end ECOVACS robot vacuums is definitely the Osmo Roller Mop. Unlike those spinning mop pads that you see on a lot of robot vacuums these days, which are only really good for mopping clean-ish floors, the Osmo Roller Mop cleans itself while it mops the floor. This definitely helps with cleaning up spills on the floor since it actually removes the liquids from the floor rather than just spreading it around and making a bigger mess than what you actually started with. The Osmo Roller Mop also extends outwards from the body of the robot vacuum so that it can clean closer to the edges with your baseboards or any obstacles that it might be navigating around as it's cleaning the floors in your house, so that more of your floor actually gets vacuumed and mopped. For the X9 Pro Omni, ECOVACS has also included its Zero Tangle 3.0 technology on both the main brush on the bottom of the unit and the side brush as well. This helps keep the two brushes tangle free as best possible, and as someone who has a household filled with 3 women, a wife and 2 daughters, and then 2 cats, this is incredibly helpful because, as you know, a lot of other robot vacuums really get that hair clogged into that roller vacuum brush at the bottom, and you spend more time cleaning that out sometimes than the vacuum actually cleaning your floors. As someone who uses a lot of robot vacuums, I'm honestly always pretty impressed to see how they've improved from generation to generation, especially with the new added sensors that help improve the cleaning process here. The advanced sensors on this unit not only allow it to navigate around the obstacles on the floor, because let's be honest, we don't always clean up our floors before that scheduled vacuum time. But as I mentioned before, the sensors allow the unit to recognize spills and stains on the floor and automatically adjust the cleaning settings when it finds them. With its AI stain detection feature, the robot will actually change its regular cleaning grid to focus on any spills or stains that it comes across, and then go back to the base station to deep clean that mop to ensure that it's completely cleaned off, and then return to the stain and clean it again before resuming its regular cleaning pattern. This ensures that if you do have something spilled or abnormal on your floor, the robot vacuum is going to be focusing on that specifically, rather than just mindlessly cleaning up something that might already be clean. And if we're talking about AI, we also need to mention the AI-powered built-in voice commands as well. You can always use the app and then set it to clean specific rooms with the X9 Pro on certain days or certain areas of the room, but you can also just use the Yeeco Assistant voice commands like vacuum the living room or mop the kitchen, and then the robot vacuum will set off and take care of that task for you. Which honestly is a lot quicker and definitely a lot faster than pulling out your phone, opening the app, and setting the task manually. Okay, Yeeco.
I'm listening.
Mop the kitchen.
Okay, the area will be mopped now.
And then of course we have the OMNI station, and ECOVACS is really going for a hands-free maintenance system with this robot vacuum. The X9 Pro will not only just dock itself, but it also empties the dustbin and the water tank after it's done vacuuming and mopping, and then it'll wash the mop with hot water. And after that's done, it'll switch over to a 60°C hot air drying to make sure that there's no odors or mold buildup on that mop over time. Now, depending on how dirty your floors are, you might be able to go a full 2 months without emptying the dust bag inside of the base station. But if you are using the robot vacuum, say 3 to 4 times a week, you will need to refill that clean water tank and then empty out the gray water tank about once a week. Well, I'm sure we can all agree that there's definitely a lot to like here. The new triple lift system and the blast suction technology make the ECOVACS DEEBOT X9 Pro Omni the most advanced robot vacuum and mop system that I've used so far this year. It's truly impressive, honestly, how much of an improvement this is over the X8 Pro Omni that I tested just a couple months back. And as I mentioned earlier, this $1,600 robot vacuum is getting a huge discount for Prime Day, with a discount dropping 31% off the price. That's a huge $500 discount, bringing the final price down to $1,099.99. So make sure you check out the link in the video description below to pick one up for yourself. If you have any questions for me about the X9 Pro Omni, let me know in the comments and I'll answer your questions as best as I can. Thank you guys so much for watching, and of course, thanks to ECOVACS for sponsoring this video.